Hi friends, welcome to Invent Coding. So today in this video we are going to see about a JavaScript concept called template return and how to use it. So if you are visiting our channel for the first time, so please check out our videos, and if you like our channel, please click on the subscribe button. So let's get started. So now I'm going to open my Visual Studio Code Editor and I'm going to create a new file called index.html. So here I'm going to use the embed abbreviation, and I'm going to include a script tag in my body tag. Okay. So first we're going to see what is called a template return. So template returns are returns which are enclosed in backticks, so which allows us more functionalities like multi-line strings and string interpolation process and so on. So let's see one by one. So first we are going to declare a template return. Okay. So I'm going to declare a normal variable first. Okay, which can be done by using single quotes or enclosing it in double quotes. Okay, so just I'm going to name it as invent coding. So I'm declaring a variable which has a value invent coding in it. So I'm going to declare another variable called something like output. So now I'm going to declare it as a template return. So I'm going to enclose it within double backticks. Okay, so backticks. Okay, so here I am going to output the previous declared variable. Okay, so we have first declared template return. So the next process. Okay, so I had said string interpolation. Okay, so what is string interpolation? So string interpolation process is nothing. So I am going to use variables and expressions into some strings. Okay, so I declared a string, a template return. So I'm going to introduce some variables, the previous declared variables, or if I'm going to include an expression, so that process is called string interpolation. Okay, so now I'm going to include the string previous declared variable into the string. Okay, so for that I'm going to introduce dollar, open and close curly braces, and just I'm going to include my previous declared variable name, right? Okay, so okay, let's alert this output variable and check it out. Okay, okay, so first I have declared a template return, and I'm next going to the topic called string interpolation, which I had introduced a previous declared variable name into my template return, declared template return. Okay, so just I'm clicking okay, I'm clicking low line. Okay, okay, nothing is came, right? Okay, some sort of error in this. Okay, I'm going to declare the output variable. Now I had some error in this code. Okay, so now we can see the name, the variable name, which has a value invent coding in it, is outputted to this variable, right, called as output. So via string interpolation, right? So I can receive the value. Okay, I can receive the value of the variable name here. So by similar to this, we can introduce some sort of expression in this in here. We can also include some expression here. Okay, so this process is called as string interpolation. We are introducing some sort of expressions and variables into an string. Okay, so this process is called as string interpolation. Okay, so the next we can, I had previously said we can achieve multi-line strings in this. So for example, I am introducing a new line here. Okay, new line. I have saved the program and I'm okay. Okay, so now we can see there is a new line introduced between the name and the value. Okay, so we can achieve multi-line strings with template return. Okay, okay. So the next advantage is, so why we are using template return? So we can for example, while declaring several variables like invent coding, and if you're declaring some sort of variables with enclosing in double quotes, so you'll be phasing. So for example, something, so if I'm introducing another single quotes here, so we will be facing some sort of problems. We need to escape this character, or for example, by using backslash or something else, we need to escape this character, right? So by using this template return concept, we are declaring a variable with backticks, right? We are declaring a string by enclosing when backticks, right? So by following this, we can avoid this sort of problems. Okay, so escaping the additional single quotes, we can avoid these problems. So this was a kind of advantage by using a template return. Okay, so these were the, so regarding template return, this was a concept. So if you can also use some sort of expressions here. Okay, so for example, some sort of 5 plus 3, so we can also use like this. Okay, so now checking. Okay, so now I got the value 8, so which is a sort of 5 plus 3, 8. So I had succeeded by outputting the value, some sort of expression, and I got the output as value. So this was a concept called template editor. We had completed the concept of template editor in JavaScript. So if you're interested in our channel, please support us so that we can make some sort of additional videos and sort of additional shorts videos which may help you lot and more. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this video, and we will be seeing you in our next videos. Thank you.